Hello. Get ready with me. I'm gonna do my makeup. Because I'm going to the grocery. I have to do last minute shopping. Kasi wala na akong pagkain dito sa bahay. And also my mom is coming tonight. My mom is arriving from the States. So I have to get some supplies for the house. Ang hirap pala nito. Merong cellphone sa tapat. Ano to? Wala lang. Yeah, para kita ko yung sarili ko. Saan ka punta? Mag-grocery lang. And then, after my grocery, I'll go to the airport na to pick up my mom. Talagang sa Pride Month talaga siya umuwi, no? Yung nanay ko, no? Kung kailan busy. See you tomorrow. Maganda yung performance ko tomorrow, as in, it's giving pasabog. It's giving Pride finale na agad tomorrow. Paandar ang mga bading. It's gonna be one of like the biggest shows yet. Market this June. Sana meron pang 10 days. Ano lang, simple makeup lang. Hindi lang haggard. Tingnan. Kasi gabi din naman na. So, magbubura na din pagkasundo kay mama. Also, Ebab Remixes EP is out now. We have the tour version there. My favorite, the sunset version. We also have the acapellas and the instrumentals for you guys to enjoy. Shade of brand of foundation. Hindi na ako nagfa-foundation, but out of drag. Nag-BLK. Nag-concealer na lang ako. Conceal areas na lang na kailangan. Kasi ayoko na ng madaming makeup pag out of drag. Just because sunset on top. Yes. See you sa Tinalak. Ano yung Tinalak, guys? What's Tinalak? I think yung mga VIP tomorrow, maaabutan yung rehearsals ko. Sana maabutan nyo. Pero pag naabutan nyo, wag nyo i-spoil ha, kasi medyo pasabog yung number ko. Kayo unang makakakita habang nagre-rehearse ako. So, wag nyo na lang i-tweet, wag nyo na lang Pero hindi pa ako sure kung aabutan nyo nga ako. Yun ay lang. Baka sakali lang. Just in case maabutan nyo ako, huwag nyo na lang ipagkakalat kung ano yung number ko kasi pinaghirapan namin siya. Ano sa tingin niyo pa ang number ko tomorrow? Meron ba kayong naiisip? Hulaan niyo ka anong piyesa ko tomorrow. Maraming mauuga sa piyesa ko tomorrow. Anong gusto nyo i-manifest? Using Tony Sia Sponge. Hindi ko alam, may regalo lang sa akin to ng fan eh. Alam niyo naman ako, as much as possible, I wanna use the products na inilib sa akin. Lurge is here. Parang ayoko na mag-makeup, bigla akong nahiya. Ayoko nang mag-makeup, andito si Lurge. Lurge, talikod ka muna. Face the wall ka muna, Lurge. Huwag ka muna manonood ng makeup pa ako. Makita mo, tsaka yung makeup ko. First time ka mapanood tomorrow. Ang dami nga palang first timers bukas, no? Free ba ang ang QueenCon? Is it free? Is QueenCon free? Cause I don't know. May tickets ba yan? You have to purchase SM. Oo nga, ito nga pala yun, no? Yung kailangan meron kang certain amount of purchases to get the tickets. Parang ganon. May pimple ako. Sa may highlight area pa, di ba? Buwisit. I'm so hungry also. Pwede po ba mag-abot ng gift tomorrow? I think so. I think may time naman for that. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Probably. Yung lip liner. Alam niyo, sobrang obsessed ako ngayon dito sa top ng Sola. As in, parang every week ko siya sinusuot. After ma-laundry, kailangan masuot ko siya agad. You know, like, ang ganda niya talaga. I really like it. And I don't normally wear, like, tube tops or dresses. But this one, like, ang ganda ng lapat niya sa katawan ko. And it doesn't make my upper area, my chest area look big or like my shoulders. It doesn't look so big here. Okay na to. Pwede na yan. Nanay ko lang naman susunduin ko. and never ending. Anong pinagawa mo sa face mo? Lahat na lang pinagawa. Charis. Wala akong pinagawa sa face ko, guys. Wala na. Tapos na. Puro skin na lang kami ngayon. Parang yung last ko pa na fillers 2 years ago. Or a year ago. Hindi ko alam. I forgot kasi medyo matagal-tagal na. Skin and Botox, yes. But that's about it. So, nagpapasoften ako ng face ngayon. Actually, pinalusaw ko yung mga fillers ko eh. Okay, anyways, I have to go because I have to do my groceries. I'll see you guys tomorrow, QueenCon, and make sure to stream Abab remixes. We have 2 new versions for you guys. We put so much to these versions, so please listen to it kasi. Anyway, see you. Goodbye.